Hello, in this video I will show you how to change your speed in YouTube TV. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is firstly open a browser or your YouTube TV application on any device. Then open the YouTube TV itself. So just simply wait for a few seconds. Now just simply choose whatever show you want to watch. Like for example this one right over here. Now once you will open your show, you will find a few options down below. And if you're on the TV, you will be able to see the options right over here at the top. Now, in order to change the speed of the video or the show that you're watching, you will need to go to the section where you'll have the settings option. Now, if you're doing this on a phone or a computer, you will have the settings option right over here. But if you're on an actual TV, you will be getting the settings option right over at the top or somewhere at the center right over here. So, what you have to do is, just simply open the settings option and right over here, you will have a lot of options again. In this, you will find the option called speed, as you can see right over here. Choose this option. And right over here, you will be able to change the speed of your video or the show. So if you'll go up in the 0 point section, you will be able to decrease the speed of your video. And if you go down, you'll be able to increase the speed of your video. As you can see right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.